Good morning, students. Good health is not something we can buy. However, it can be an extremely valuable savings account. Thus, healthy citizens are the greatest asset any country can have. So eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Prayer is simply talking to God like a friend and should be the easiest thing we do each day. With this noble thought, let's start our today's morning assembly with the prayer Guru Vandana. With a new day comes new strength and a new thought. So here's Abhipush for today's thought.
Good morning. Today's thought for the day is health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it.
Thank you, Abhipush. Truly, health is money, and the hard work done to earn this money is exercise. So let's do some workout to become healthy.
Dhanurasana. Lie full length on the floor, on the stomach. Face downwards. Exhale and bend the knees. Stretch the arms back and hold the left ankle with the left hand and the right ankle with the right hand. Now exhale again and pull the legs up by raising the knees above the floor and simultaneously lift the chest off the floor. The arms and hands act like a bowstring to tauten the body like a bent bow. Lift up the head and pull it as far back as possible. Do not rest either the ribs or the pelvic bones on the floor. Only the abdomen bears the weight of the body on the floor. Elderly people do not normally do this, so their spines get rigid. It also brings back elasticity to the spine and tones the abdominal organs. Exhale and release the ankles. Stretch the legs straight, bring the head and the legs back to the floor and relax. Sit in Dandasana.
In our daily food, fruits are important. So here's Himanshi tell you some facts about fruits.
So here is some more important information about fruits with which we can be healthy in our daily life. Most of the antioxidants found in apple, including keratin, are located in the skin. 1 cup of grapes provides more than a quarter of the daily recommended values of vitamin K and C. Guava contains 4 times more fiber than a pineapple and 4 times more vitamin C than an orange.
Thank you, Himanshi. We should always remember that health is the greatest gift of God. With these noble words, let's wind up our today's morning assembly with Hum Honge Kamyab. a very fabulous Wednesday. Now please proceed to your online classes.